Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, we're now delighted to be joined with the Minister of Energy from the Petroleum Division of the Government of Pakistan to give us his keynote address. So please welcome now His Excellency Ali Pervez Malik to the stage.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mian Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif Sahab, Honorable Chief of Army Staff, General Syed Asim Munir Sahab, Ministers of friendly countries, respective governors and chief ministers, foreign dignitaries, excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is my distinct honor to welcome you to the Pakistan Minerals Investment Forum 2025. We are specially privileged to host a distinguished gathering of global leaders, visionaries, and accomplished professionals. To the esteemed international dignitaries and delegates who have joined us from across continents, on behalf of the Government of Pakistan, I extend our deepest gratitude. Your presence here not only honors us, it reaffirms the growing global confidence